Charles Hansen Feeder Canal. This is the 930 section. It runs between Flatiron and the Big Thompson River. We get about 2 weeks a year to work on this canal, and we schedule an outage because this canal runs year-round. This is how Horsetooth Reservoir is filled. Every year when we get that outage, we will drain the canal and then walk it and identify concrete panels that are cracked badly or broken or heaved, moved. If there's problems with the foundation materials, we can see that just based on how those panels crack and move. In this case, we've got about 7 panels down here that we pulled out. Typically we'll replace 25 panels a year, although last year when the maintenance siphon was out, we did about 40 or 45 panels last year because we were down for a longer period of time. We don't have as many panels that we're replacing just because of all the other work that we're trying to get done. From here we'll move north to the Masonville siphon. We've got some crack sealing to do in there on a couple of joints that are a little bit leaky. We pulled the valve off the Big Thompson siphon. We've got a leaky gasket in there, so we'll just replace that seal on that. We've got 3 bridges located at Redstone that we're going to be putting in. We do all our design work in-house, and then the crew fabricates those bridges. We're at the outlet of the Redstone siphon. This is at the end of the Hansen Feeder Canal, and then from here the water goes into a tunnel which goes on to the Horsetooth Reservoir. Put in these 2 bridges here as a platform so the guys can access the trash rack, clean it off if they have to, and then there's another bridge below that they can put the pin in case it drops. The bridges, of course, are now up to code. The old bridges were not load bearing, so we pulled those out and replaced them, and it'll be a lot safer